Children, welcome to your activity class. Today we are going to do an activity on Joker's cap. What is this, children? Have you seen a circus? Yes, this is the picture of a circus. You can also see a band of musicians playing music in the circus. You love to hear the music? You see so many animals in the circus. In this picture, which animal do you see? Yes, this is the picture of an elephant standing on the table. Who is this, children? Yes, this is a very important character in the circus. Yes, this is a clown. There are 3 clowns in this picture. They are performing tricks and making people laugh. You can see a clown riding a horse. Children, what can you see in this picture? What is the clown doing? Yes, the clown is rolling on a ball. Over the ball. Thank you.
We are going to do an activity on Joker's cap. For this, we need marble paper, any color marble paper, and a Fevicol. Now, you will take a marble paper and you will fold it into a triangle like this. See, okay? Press it like this. Now, you will again fold it into a triangle like this. See, okay? Press it like this. Now, can you see this line? Yes. Now, you will take this fold and you will fold it like this. You will touch the line like this. The same way you will do on the other side like this. See. Press it nicely. See. Now, you can see this line. Now, you can see this line. Now, see, you will again fold it into half like this. See. Press it like this. The same way you will do on the other side like this. See, like this. Turn it upside. Now you can see this triangle. Now you will fold it like this up. Okay. Again you will fold it down like this. Take a little edge. Now you will turn it like this. Okay. Like this you will turn. Okay. Now you will fold this part like this up. Okay. See, like this. Now again you will fold a little part. See, like this. Okay. Now you can see this triangle. Now again you will turn it like this. Fold it like this. See. Again you will fold a little part like this. Now you can see this triangle shape. Now you will turn it like this. Okay. Children, now your Joker's cap is ready. If you want, you can use a Fevicol to stick these two sides. See, children, your Joker's cap is ready.